Hello folks, my name is Rui Pimentel. I'm a senior Sql Server DBA. I've been working with Sql Server for about 10 years now, and I hold some Microsoft certifications like MCTS, MCITP, MCSE. Now let's proceed with our SSIS cluster configuration. So go to our SSIS main folder that you created in the earlier class. So let's create here a new file. And this file, we should name it like mestpssrvr.ini.xml. So let me type it here. SRVR dot ini dot xml. Alright, so here I have a problem. Just let me fix it here. You see, it is still considering it a text file. I need to organize my layout here. I follow the search options. I'm going to show this, hide this, unhide this. Alright, I can apply it. Okay, so now we're fine. Let me remove the txt extension. Yes. Alright, that's it. Now I have our XML file. I'm going to open it with Notepad. Yes. So I'm going to paste it here. The information that I want. You can just copy it. Let me open here. Alright. So this is the information that you have to add in your file there. Other important information is here. In the store path, you must change here for the folder that you created. So here, and for the package. So here I have the FSSIS package. So you put there the one that you created in your environment. I can just paste it here. Alright, so here I have my file done, and I'm going just to leave it open. You can pause it there in your that you're viewing, and then type this information in your file and create it. I'm going to also put a version of this XML in the compacted file that you should receive. So I'm going to close it here now. Before we proceed with our configuration, I'm going to save. Alright, here is our file. Now, to finalize our SSIS cluster configuration, we need to go to the registry. This step has to be done on both servers, on both nodes, or in all nodes that you install the Sql Server. Okay, so here we go to HK local machine, software, Microsoft, then Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server, 100, SCSIS, service config file. Then here on the full, we double click, and then we will copy this folder here, and we will paste it here. Alright, this has to be this way. Alright, so I will just click OK here, and done. Now let's do the same thing on cluster B, the other node. So let me open it here. Alright, I go to registry. Then make a key local machine, software, Microsoft SQL Server, 100, SSIS, service config file. Right click here, modify. I'm going to paste it here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to paste it this way for we do not lose our name, our file name. Alright, that's it. Then I click OK here. And our SSIS configuration is done. So I'm going to finish, close node B and going back to node A. Okay, here in node A. So let's go back to Failover Cluster Manager. And now I'm going to bring this resource online. Alright, our integration service is online now on cluster A. Alright, now our SSIS is fine and working properly. But we need to make a final configuration on it. We must go to Component Services. Then we need to go to to Component Services, Computer, My Computer, Decon Config. You must find the MS DPS Server 100 component. Let me find it here. This one. Then we need to go to Properties, and then you go to the Security tab, and here in Customize you need to edit it, and here you will add on your network the users who are allowed to access the SSIS package. So here you can notice that only local users are able to connect to the SSIS. So I'm going to add here let me see a group for you better see. For my environment here, I'm going to use the domain users. Alright, so all my domain users will be able to access this integration service. Alright, they can use remote, local, and remote activation. Okay, so access permission, same thing. I'm going to add here domain users. Alright, allow remote access. And here configuration permissions, same. Domain users. Alright, and this needs to be done on node B either. So let's go there. Alright, here in node B, let me open the component services. Then we go to component services, computers, my computer, deacon config. I must find the MES BTS server 100 component, properties, security tab, and I'm going to add here domain user. Alright, so I'm going to permit everything here. Same thing here. Of course, that in your environment, you are going to use a group with only the user that really needs this kind of permission to access the SSIS. Here, as this is a lab environment, I'm just adding this for your learning. Alright, you can just apply and OK. And right now our SSIS service is configured, clustered, and running properly. Now we're going to perform a task that needs to be done before or after the Sql Server cluster install. So here in the network connections, I open, go here to change adapter settings. Then here you can click Alt N. Alright, so you go to Advanced and Advanced Settings. And now we have the adapters orders, binding orders. So you must be sure here that the private network is above or order first than the internal. So in this case here, it is working fine, it is properly set. So let me check also on node B. This step is important, so please don't forget your performance. Alt N here, then Advanced Settings. Alright, it is cool. It is configured set on both. on both nodes. With this, we finish this class. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for downloading it. And in the next class, we are going to perform some tests in our production environment. See you on the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.